Photoshop is a raster graphics editor by Adobe, which is mostly used for editing photos nowadays. Rastered meaning it's a two-dimensional image that shows as rectangular grids of square pixels, explicitly noticeable when you zoom in on a photo. After opening Photoshop, you'll see the menu bar on the top and you'll see the toolbar on the left side. Start by opening a photo however you want, copy, drag and drop, or simply press Ctrl O and select your photo. On the right side, the layers panel shows the photo you just opened. As you place more photos, the layers get stacked on top of each other. You can create new layers yourself and edit non-destructively. That's why Photoshop is outstanding. If you edit on the main layer, it might be really tough to manage your edits or undo something that you've already done. That's why layers are substantial. It's the amalgamation of different layers that makes a picture perfect. In this picture, if you want to make the sky a little dark, then you should create a curve adjustment layer instead of editing directly, so you edit non-destructively. Editing is mostly dependent on the tools. The tools have shortcuts which one should use to have a faster workflow. You have already seen some. If you want to add some sky here on top of the sun, select the clone stamp tool, take a sample with Alt and paint on the sun. Get rid of the water with the sparkling brush tool. Feels like this area could be a little more vibrant. If you also think that, then create a vibrance adjustment layer, increase the vibrance by 30 and saturation by 20. Press Ctrl I to invert the adjustment layer. Press B for the brush tool. If the foreground color is black, change it to white with the X key. Then paint on the area to apply the vibrance we just created. With the text tool, you can write on the picture. I'm writing a message for my viewers. Working with layers mean you can hide any layer if you want, or you can work specifically on a layer. This is why non-destructive editing is so advantageous. To have a better workflow, you should always try to edit non-destructively and also keep things organized. Also, don't forget to use shortcuts to reduce the time needed to edit. From color grading and creating eye-catchy thumbnails to awesome manipulation of photos, Photoshop can do wonders. Some even uses it to get a six-pack. Photoshop is used by millions of people on a regular basis. One thing to note is even though this video is only 2 minutes, learning Photoshop basics can take up to 2 days. But if you want more short videos on different softwares and games, then consider subscribing, and I'll end this with a bless you and have a nice day.